Hi guys, welcome to Pramod's Tasty Kitchen. Today we're gonna make fried rice, vegetable fried rice. For that, we're going to use all our vegetables in the rice. Guys, do remember you have to like, share, and subscribe my channel for all the new recipes, and click on the bell notification so that you will get all the notifications whenever I'm posting new recipes. Now let's get started with the fried rice here. So I'm using vegetables like capsicum, peas, then carrot, little bit of green chili as per your taste. Then I have some curry leaves. Then I have ginger garlic paste, red chili as per your taste. Then garam masala as per your taste. Dhania powder again as per your taste. And then the salt as per your taste. And we have soya sauce and a chili sauce and white vinegar. And I have prepared already boiled 2.5 cup of white rice. You can use any rice. You can use basmati if you want. You want to use sona masuri, you can use that. Whichever rice is available with you, you can do that with that. But make sure that the rice is been cooked and cooled down. It should not be hot. Okay guys, let's get started. So switch on the gas. I have taken a big kadai because the rice is high, and we'll add oil into that. So guys, I have heated up the oil and I have added little bit jeera, which is optional because I like the jeera and hing taste a lot. That's why I have added. So I'll add even the hing, about 1 small tablespoon. It's again totally optional, as I say. It's up to you guys. If you like, you can add it. You don't like, you can avoid it. Not an issue. Let it heat it up. Once the jeera get crackling, then we will add other spices. So now you see, now we should add our ginger garlic paste. Guys, careful, because ginger garlic paste generally have a little bit of water in that, so it might burn you. So slowly you put all your ginger garlic paste into this, and we have to fry it for about a minute so that the smell of garlic goes away. We give a good mix to make sure that our ginger garlic paste is nicely fried. Now we will add our curry pattas. Curry patta is again optional. If you get it, good, because it gives a good flavor. If you don't have curry pattas, you need not to worry about it. And now we'll add our green chilies. Remember, every time we should not waste our food. Let's simmer it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. So this masala is nicely cooked. Masala is ready. Now we'll put our vegetables one by one into that and give a small stir fry. Make sure you will not waste anything. A nice smell, tempting. You can now increase the flame and give a stir for a minute or so. Guys, you can add little bit of salt just so that your vegetables at least get cooked a little bit, because raw vegetables sometimes doesn't taste really good, but you can give them a soft texture. I would like to mention one more thing. You can add as much as vegetables you want. You can add sweet corn, you can add even paneer into this. If you are fond of onions, you can add onions and other green vegetables which you like to add. Guys, our vegetables being fried for about a minute now. We'll lower the flame and we'll add our rice into it. We'll add all the rice slowly and make sure that we will not waste any grains. So we have mixed our rice nicely, and you see, because we have used rice which is cold, it's not hot rice, so each grain of the rice is separated nicely. Now we'll add our other spices. So we'll start with garam masala, and we'll add our garam masala, all of it. Then we'll add the coriander powder, we'll add the red chilies powder, now we will add our soya sauce, and a chili sauce. I'm keeping the flame at low because when we are adding the masala, we don't want our rice to get burned at the bottom. And then we will add little bit of white vinegar, just sprinkle it. That's it. And at the last we'll add the salt as per the taste. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of the salt in this 2.5 cup of rice. That's it. Now we'll give a good mix to all this and our fried rice will be ready. Viewers, please never forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and keep on please do click on the bell icon so that you can always get a notifications when I'm posting a new recipe. Now you see that our fried rice has come up very well. It's a nice color, very balanced, not too spicy, not too a lot of masala in that, and not too ghee. It's all homemade, it's tasty, healthy, it's coming up very good, and the fragrance also is very good. We'll just stir it for about another minute, and you can make the flame to a medium to high, but please don't keep it to a high because otherwise your rice will start burning at the bottom.